helpful. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are well, happy, good. Hope you had a great weekend. What did you get up to? Let me know in the comments. I mean, I kind of look a bit different today. I feel like I never wear my hair up for videos. I mean, I really want to make this quick and easy and very cute for you. I want to do cutesy hairstyles. So these are the hairstyles that I've been picking up and I find the easiest, or yeah, just the ones that I really prefer. I've been really playing with my hair lately. As you can see, I've got bangs and I got them, I would say would you say about 2 months ago, I think it was. So yeah, and I did a video on how I style them. So I thought I'd do more kind of bang related videos. And yeah, but I mean guys, how profesh do I look with my background? I've got the stands here, I've got all the lighting. I really want another lighting that goes behind me, you know, how everyone on YouTube has got this really cool kind of glow behind their head just to make them pop out more. Yeah, so I think I want to get one of those, but I don't really know what I'm doing, so I'm just I'm winning it. I really am winning it. So yeah, let's get straight into this. But I mean, I guess we'll start off with this hairstyle. So this is the one, you know, this is the messy bun, the classic messy bun. I've always been that girl who's had thin hair, kind of thin, not greasy hair, but thin, oily hair. I've never really struggled with dry hair or anything like that, or frizz, and I am the one that wants thick frizzy hair. I love volume in hair, so I have been finding kind of tips and tricks on how to do that if you have got thin hair. So yeah, you basically want what you don't have. Am I right or am I right? So yeah, I will show you how I achieved this look, and I will quickly let you know how I got my hair in this kind of texture, because as you can see, it looks quite bushy and just messy. And yeah, like I said, growing up with thin hair, it's very, very difficult to have my wonderful friends around me with thick hair. Always manages effortlessly putting their hair up in these messy buns. It looks really cool, and when I did it, it was poop. It looked bad, and I just never been able to do it. So yeah, I will show you how I managed to do this. So let's just get straight into it. Okay, so all you are gonna need is one of these babies. I literally pick up so many hair accessories from Home Bargains, you know, your local kind of there we go. Your local kind of bargain shop, what are they called? I don't know, Poundland or something, just somewhere. You can honestly pick up hair accessories for so cheap, literally 70p. Yeah, so really, really good. So I'm gonna quickly let you know how I got my hair this texture. So basically, like I said, when I get out the shower, my hair is naturally straight and it is quite thin. It has gone a lot thicker lately, but yeah, I mean, naturally it is quite thin. So what I do for the texture of my hair, I kind of pull off a messy bun. I mean, if you have got naturally thick hair, darling, you are very lucky, and you can skip this bit, So yeah, this is for all of my wonderful thin hair gals out there. So hun, so I was like, hello. Nice, quick and easy. What I do when I get out the shower, I blow dry my hair so it's straight. I then take my hair, and so yeah, I separate my bangs obviously, and I then just twirl it. I'm sure you've seen this before. I twirl it and put it in a bun like this, and I then get one of those clippy thingies, and I put my hair up like that, and I sleep like that. So yeah, kind of a tight kind of, don't worry when you're putting it up for it to be, you know, if it's messy like this, it makes it all better. And what I do is I actually spray a little bit of hairspray in there as well. So what happens is that when you wake up in the morning, you then take it out, and the hairspray, if you brush out dry hairspray, it can add volume and it makes your hair quite bushy, and then obviously you've got the kind of natural wave in your hair. So yeah, now we are here. So what I do is, it is super quick and easy. I take my hair, and again, doesn't matter if it's messy. I mean, I am one to hate obviously massive bumps, but yeah, so separate your bangs. My bangs are really growing out lately, but you know, I feel like bangs, when they grow out, they look kind of cooler, they have more, I don't know, just more shape to them, I guess. Okay, so once you've got your hair up, I then take a bobble and I put it around, and then instead of taking all the hair through, I go around again and take it around, and then take it around until it is thick. And I don't properly take all the hair through. I really just kind of play around with it. I feel like every time is different. So then you kind of play around with the top half, and then you get your clip. You can either curby it. What I do is, you don't want the clip to show, so I lift up the bun and I clip it to my head underneath, and then I pull my bun over it so you can't see the clip. After I clip it in, I search for the little bits like these, and I just kind of pull them out, and yeah, just so it adds to the kind of like messy look. What I like with this hairstyle is that you can even like choose how much bang you want, if that makes any sense. You can have like a super thin bang, you know, for that day, or you can have like all your bang outs, you know, you can really choose what kind of look you want. But yeah, that is how I do my messy bun with thin hair, gals. I know, life changing. You know, I like to take all these little kind of baby hairs out, you know, just making it really kind of messy looking. But yeah, so really cute little puff sleeve or crop top. I think it's a really cute hairstyle, and yeah, it's one that everyone can do. So next one. Okay, so the next one is probably one of my favourites. I just find it so cute. It's really easy. It just looks really nice when you got bangs. So it is super quick. So basically what I do is my bangs are down, I've got the middle parting going on. I then take some hair from the side. So I take hair from the side like this. Again, it is kind of like a messy look, and because my hair is quite thin, I don't take a lot. I really just kind of take the sides, and I then get it's completely like, it's up to you what clip you want, you know, what kind of look you want. But sometimes I put like little bows in there, or like even like little scrunchies or something like that. Yeah, I usually take the clip that I use for the messy bun. Honestly, these clips are lifesavers, I swear down. And I then pop it up like this. I pull the sides a little bit, just so I've got a little bit more volume here. And I'm not even kidding, that is it. It is one of my favourite hairstyles to wear with my bangs. I just think it looks really nice having, you know, the volume here and then taking it out to the side. And it's not too much either, you know, it's not too kind of puffy and big. Even though I love volume, I love big hair. But yeah, for this, it's quite like an elegant kind of look, and I really like that. You know, you've got a few waves in your hair. It's just a really nice natural look. So but yeah, I think it adds just the perfect amount of volume. I don't need to wear this with extensions either, because I do wear clip-in extensions, and there's a few hairstyles that I do need to have the extensions in, but with this, I can just whip it up like that, and it kind of keeps all of my bangs out of the way as well. Sometimes my bangs can be quite heavy and thick, depending on how, I don't know, just how they are that day. And if they are really heavy and quite annoying, this is a great way of kind of taking half of the bang up, and I'm getting a little bit of volume there. I think it looks really cute. Let me turn around so you can see what it looks like. How lovely is that? It's just super quick and easy. This is definitely one of my favourite hairstyles to do with my bangs. So there we go. So the difference between this style and the previous one, we have taken a lot more hair. It's a lot more separating your hair in half instead of taking just the bits from the side. And once you've got that, you get your scrunchie of your choice. I've gone for a cute kind of denim blue one. Yeah, I love this. It's so cute. I love scrunchies. Scrunchies are so in at the moment as well. It depends how thick your hair is, but I usually do about 2 or 3 like this. And that is it. I'm not even kidding. So there we go, and you're left with this. Now you can have so much fun with this because you can put like clips around your scrunchie, what is a bunchy? You can like curl your hair more, but yeah, I'm just doing this in a, you know, nice and quick way for you guys. It's completely up to you how much you want to style your hair even more, but yeah, I just want to show you my kind of go-to everyday styling, you know, with no heat or anything like that. Okay, so the next one we're going to do, I'm going to show you kind of from the back. By the way, that's not me farting, that's the chair. Just to let you know, because the chair makes farty noises. It's not me, it's the chair. Okay. I take the top part of my hair like this. I don't really like to do teasing for the hair. I do stress on my channel that teasing for the hair is bad. You know, it does thin the hair. You must avoid doing it every day. But just to show you this cute hairstyle, which I don't do a lot, you know, like I said, this isn't like an everyday hairstyle. This is one that I do if I'm going like out or something like that for the evening. Once you have teased your hair and you've got it looking like this, you then kind of, you can take a brush and kind of smooth it out, but my hair kind of naturally just is okay. You then get some curbies to curby that piece of hair in. It usually takes me a few. Now you are left with this bump here, so just for the volume, you can then take your sides, as you can see the sides here, and I then twirl it and curby that in. Okay, so once you've got the two clips in here like this, I then go in with these really cute pearl clips. I'm sure you guys have seen them everywhere, and yeah, I just think they are the cutest accessory for the hair. The other one I put in going the same way because I feel like it could look a little bit messy if you have one going in that way, one going in this way. So it looks really cute having two facing this way, going the same way, and then you're left with this. And again, you can add more volume by putting clip-ins in, but I just want to show you the quick and easy way to do it, and it's nice and natural. I sometimes like to curl the little bits that are going down in the middle, but it's completely up to you. I think my hair is quite naturally curly today. Doing that last night, I have got a natural wave, so yes, but there we go. The next one I do is I like to have kind of low buns or low ponytails. I think it looks really cute kind of having the bang and having the shape of your hair. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab some hair, and using this hand I'm just going to push up just so I get a bit more volume here. I then get a bobble. So you are then left with a cute lower ponytail like this. Honestly, they are so quick and easy, but I do love to wear a low ponytail. It's a really nice, easy way to get your hair out the way, but then you still have the shape of the bangs. And doing that thing that I do where I push up like the top half, it gives you some volume if you do feel like you have kind of thin, flat hair like me. Yeah, you know, just a few tips and tricks like that can help add the volume. So there we go, and I like to kind of have, again, the waves in the hair. You can curl your ponytail, add volume, completely up to you. But yeah, this is another favourite. Another trick, if you don't want your ponytail too low, you put it really low, you then pull it up like this. I'll show you. If you, again, that wasn't me, that was the chair, okay. And then you tighten, and that's a really good way to get volume kind of above on your hair, because when you're pulling the low ponytail up, as you saw, it pushed the hair up, and yeah, again, so you've got a higher ponytail, but you've then got this volume up here. So if you hold it like this, ta-da! I know, girl of many talents, I know what you're thinking. Who is messaging me? I've been seeing people do this, and I started doing it, and I actually really quite like it. I think it is definitely the cutest one in this video. So yes, what you do is you split your hair in half, then twist it and twirl it, and I think you know what I'm going to be doing. Curby. You can get a little bit of hairspray to hairspray it up, but I think with the bangs, it's so cute. Then if you even have like scrunchies to even put in, I wish I had two of the same colour. I had another, I'm going to get another blue one, because having like the scrunchies around, I just think it is so cute. And then of course when you take your hair down, you will then have natural waves as well. So it's kind of like a win-win. You can kind of do like a 2-in-1, you know? Love it. Another very popular thing, and I've been doing it a lot recently. I think it's really cute. So easy. Ta-da! I am so obsessed with accessories. I never used to be an accessories person. I used to be, sorry, did I just like give you like weird crazy eyes? But yeah, I never used to be into accessories. I used to be really kind of just like, you know, top, t-shirt, whatever I'm wearing that day. I never used to play back with accessories, but now I cannot get enough. As you can see, I've got a necklace on, big earrings on. I love big earrings at the moment. Oh my gosh, totally a vibe. And of course the big hair clips, they are so in, they are so cute. I'm completely obsessed. Again, if your fringe is annoying you that day, if it's feeling quite thick and heavy, this is a great way to have the kind of bang style look, but then of course having it out your face as well. So, and then obviously when you move around, you naturally, there we go, get the cute little, you know, the shorter layers, you know. To also do it just like the one side, you can do it to both sides, but I feel like it makes my head look quite, I like to keep it on one side, and of course I do it on my good side. This is my good side, if you guys haven't noticed already. I think in all my videos I'm like this. Never get to see this side, but yeah, I think we all got a good side. It's very natural, very normal, so yeah, I like to do it with my good side and like this. And then again, you can even like take little kind of baby hairs down to kind of make it a little bit messier, but it's completely up to you. Okay guys, so that is the video. I really hope you enjoyed this and it was helpful for you. If you've got bangs, you know, you really don't want to mess around and just do some really cutesy, pretty, everyday, easy go-to hairstyles. You want to really play about with the bangs, the layers that you've got, because it is a big change if you are used to having middle parting, long straight hair, which is what I did, and then going to the bangs. It is quite overwhelming, and I have had down days about it, like, oh my gosh, what have I done? But I think when you watch videos like these and you really play about and then learning how to style it, and it becomes so much easier and more fun. Yeah, hopefully there are no regrets and you love your bangs and your new hairstyles. Really hope you enjoyed this. It was helpful for you, and I'll see you guys again on Wednesday. I'm doing workout Wednesdays this week, and it is going to be all about the bottom, so stay tuned. If you are new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video and watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a like, please subscribe, join the Annie fam. If you want to be notified, hit that notification button, and there we go. Hope your week has gone off to a good start, and yeah, I'll catch you guys on Wednesday in my next video for the booty. I'll catch you guys then, bye!